Hi there guys, Sean here from 5-Star Marine with Jay!
Hello, nice to see you, Sean.
Do you know what someone told me yesterday?
What did someone tell you?
They've been watching our videos.
Yes.
And I always complain about you using your name all the time.
Yes.
But they said they counted it.
Yes.
And I use your name more than you.
Really?
Yeah, apparently.
Someone actually did that?
Yeah.
You've got too much time on your hands.
But that's nothing to do with what we're talking about today.
What are we here today for, Sean?
We're talking about the best beach in the world.
Really?
Yes.
Southend-on-Sea in Essex. Beautiful beach. It's got the longest pleasure pier in the world, 1.3 miles long. At the start of it, there's a bowling alley, and then there was Peter Pan's playground down there, and you could. It's been hit by boats a few times. That beach, yeah.
You're talking about like England?
Yeah, a place called Essex, England, Southend-on-Sea. Longest pleasure pier in the world.
Are you certain that the best beach in the world is in drizzly, miserable England?
Listen, climate change is a bad thing, but it's a great thing for miserable, drainy England, because it's now sunny, beautiful England in the tropics.
Actually, if you really want to know what the best beach is in the world, it was announced in 2023. It's a beach that we visit, and it's Maya Bay, right?
Well, I love Maya Bay, but it's not. It's, in fact...
Just wait. We're going to build the anticipation.
Oh, really?
Kyle, breaking news.
Hello, I'm Jay. I thought I'd do that bit for you. And here it is, the news about Koh Kradan, or as I like to call it, Koh Crocodile.
You've been there?
I've been there. I went there with the kids.
Kyle, put the photos up.
It is absolutely stunning. I did the 3 days, 2 nights trip that we offer, and part of that was to go snorkeling on Koh Kradan, and we had lunch on the beach there. It is just beautiful.
So let me quick fire some questions at you.
Well, no, can I just say that the Koh Kradan Island off the coast of Trang, do you know it's Trang province?
Yes, I do.
Good, okay. Was ranked the best top 100 beaches
Kyle,
on Earth.
map up and show where Koh Kradan is.
The best beaches on Earth, 2023, by a UK website called the World Beach Guide.
Wow.
There you go.
So it's the #1 beach in all of the world, not
That's
just
right.
Thailand, right?
Not just Thailand. Well, other Thai beaches made it. Before we go into Koh Kradan, I'll just talk about the other Thai beaches because I have my notes, obviously. Rayleigh Beach in Krabi, or you'll probably say Riley.
Riley.
There you go. Freedom Beach in Phuket.
Yes.
That was number 18. Do you agree with that one?
No.
No, I didn't.
Not in any way.
Here, do you know this one? Lamb Beach on Koh Yai Island in Phang Nga. It's Lamhard.
Featured in the movie The Mechanic.
There you go. That came 21. And Tanot Bay Beach on Koh Tao. That's nowhere near Phuket, is it?
Yes.
No. So we'll forget about that one. I don't know why I put that one in.
Okay, so let's talk about this. 3 of these beaches we can combine into a single tour.
Yeah.
So we could depart from Phuket and go and visit Lamhat Beach, which is at Koh Yao Noi.
There you go.
After that, we can head on to Rayleigh, where we can see Rayleigh Beach, have some lunch.
Good climbing there, isn't there?
Beautiful beach. Beautiful beach.
I don't think I've ever been to the beach there, you know.
Oh, really?
No, I've been to the back end of Rayleigh, and we had some lunch there with all the backpackers, which was nice. But I've never been to the nice beach.
Oh, yeah, the front
beaches. Can I go?
Yeah, you can.
Thanks.
And then after that, you could head to Koh Kradan.
Oh, yeah, Crocodile.
Where you could do some swimming, snorkeling, and some beach time.
Can I just say, the snorkeling, joke aside, the snorkeling at Koh Kradan was just magnificent. It really was. There's this beautiful coral, and it dropped off, and Alex and I were diving down. Well, Alex was diving more than I was, because I can hold my breath. But he was going right down, and it's just brilliant. It is some of the best snorkeling I've ever done. Really is.
100%
It's on
agree.
par, I think, and I said this once before when we did that, when I went to the Similan Islands, I think it's actually just as good as the Similan Islands.
I think it's better.
There you go. I was being nice.
During COVID, I think I went there about 14 or 15 times.
It's stunning.
Every time a tour would go out there, I'd jump on board. It's just stunning out there.
It is beautiful. And the sand is so white and so fine. It's like you buy that sand for the hourglasses. Yes. That's how fine it is. It's just beautiful. Beautiful.
And also in that area, you have the Emerald Cave at Koh Mook.
I went there.
Yes.
Carl, put the picture up. That's me and the kids going through Emerald Cave.
And you also have a beautiful snorkeling spot at Koh Nai.
Koh Nai, yes.
Yeah, very beautiful snorkeling spot there. So you can do it in a day tour from Phuket, and we are offering it here at 5-Star Marine, and it's not in response to anything to do with this World's Best Beaches. We did it before it was even a World's Best Beach. This was one of the tours that we designed kind of to get away from the normal. You know, everyone who comes to Phuket, they think PP and James Bond.
Which are both amazing.
Very beautiful. But if you've been coming for a little while and you're looking for something a little bit different, then I think Lemhat, Rayleigh, Koh Kradan, and then back to the pier. While it's a lot of travel time, like we have to disclaimer that it's very much like Similan. You're looking at 2 hours from Kradan back to the pier. But it's one of those places where it's worth the travel time.
But I think also the difference between going to there than the Similan. Similan's is just a straight blast.
Yes,
there's nothing.
We can island hop on the way out.
And I think my kids have come down with me, and that time, what, Sahara must have been 10, Ashton must have been 7 or 8. They were fine.
The version
island hopped.
The version you did of it was on the way back from Kradan. You went snorkeling with the sharks at PP.
Yes, we did. So we stopped and had a little snorkel with the black
So we
tips.
can design a whole tour around it. But for those of you who want to visit 3 of the top 50 beaches in a single
top
tour,
100. Well, yeah, they're in the top. 9 and 21 and number 1. There you go.
So we could visit top 25. There you go. That's a marketing term, Jay.
Good for you.
Yes, a tour that can visit 3 of the top 25 beaches in a single day. That's got to be Lemhat. And I think, honestly, putting it all aside, Lemhat has been one of my favorite beaches to go to, full stop, right? I think it's very, very underrated and in a mid-tide, very, very beautiful. Rayleigh has always been a favorite of mine. The water clarity there is great, but just the beach being surrounded by the limestone formations is amazing.
I've still not been.
And then Koh Kradan, just water clarity and just generally a stunning place to be.
I think this high season, I'm definitely going to go down to all of those.
Yeah, well, we're going to send Jay to go do this tour that we just designed in this video.
Absolutely. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I've been out on the boat for ages.
Yeah, not yet. We'll give it some time.
Okay, fair enough.
So that is kind of what we think should be the tour to Koh Kradan. And while you are at Koh Kradan, then certainly drop past the Emerald Cave. That is a very unique swim. You have to swim into the cave.
Well, the way we did it, we put our buoyancy aids on the wrong way and we kind of floated in. It's a great way to do it because it holds you upright and you can bob in. The Emerald Cave was stunning. My kids still talk about it now and how good it was. It's a very cool place.
So it's a must-see place, but I think if you've watched our Similan video before, it's one of those places that you don't want to see first visit to Phuket. Because there are some beautiful places which are significantly closer that would be worth seeing before you went and did that. But if you're on a 2nd, 3rd or 4th visit, maybe something like this would be a great option for you. And being the #1 beach in the world, I imagine in 2023, 2024 high season, it's going to start to get very popular.
No, I think so. Because they already, the governor of that area even said...
Well, they've already brought out a sustainable tourism plan for it now
but
already.
he even said it's great to be voted, but he wish he wasn't because now everyone's going to know about it, which I can understand. So I think we'll look after him.
Yes, I totally agree. Any questions, comments, like, subscribe, all of that kind of stuff. And hopefully we'll see you on board soon.
Thanks for watching.